fourth option on the quick links menu is account update. This is where you're going to report payments or add any additional information or balance changes. So let's walk through that. At the top of the page, you have 6 options. There's 6 pages to this update. You don't have to fill out all of these for every update that you would do. It's much simpler, more simple than that. So it starts with, again, choosing is your customer an individual or are they a business? We'll choose individual. Then the date of the update obviously is going to populate here. You can enter the account number. This is your account number for your customer. This is not a required field. And then you're going to put the name of your customer. Once you put the name in, then it will allow you to go to the next screen. Notice at the top of the page, it goes to the second choice here. This is where you're going to enter in either a payment or a change of status or both. So any payments you're going to enter here. Let's say that in this case they made a payment of $1,580 and that was paid in full. So once you choose that option, then you can go to the Submit Updates page. You won't need to use these other 3 features here. You can use the Next button to move to the 3rd page, 4th page, or 5th page, but you can click directly here to go to the Submit Updates page. Now, if we came back and the situation wasn't that a payment was made, let's back that out. And we weren't changing the status. There's several status here you can choose, which is paid in full, settled in full, payment arrangements made, 24-hour cancel, which we talked about on the account placement video, temporary hold, bankruptcy, or deceased. So you can choose one of those if it's appropriate. But if you're not doing one of those, you might just be updating contact information. So maybe you got a new address, email, phone number, whatever it might be for this particular debtor. You can give that to us here if you have that. Maybe you need to update the balance. Sometimes this happens if you're the type of business where each month your customer is having a monthly charge, so service charge, or if you're adding monthly interest, you would update the balance here. You can give details here if you like, but it's not necessary. All we need is the updated balance information. Another choice is if you got updated information about their employer, you can use this option here. Now, quite honestly, most people don't update the contact information or update the employer information throughout the process once they place it with us. But they do update the balance if they are if they have customers who are active, ongoing, and incurring additional charges on a monthly basis. Then they might come here and update. For instance, a small utility service, any utility, could be an electric service, it could be a propane company, it could be a Culligan water dealer or something like that. Each month there's additional payments. Anything that's rental, or some of our customers add interest on a monthly basis, and so you would update the balance here. So the number that we need here is the new number that you want us to collect. You can put details here to help understand that. But so number 2 is for payments. Number 4 is typically if you're going to increase the balance. And 3 and 5 aren't used very often, but if you have additional information that you want to submit us, you could use number 3 to update the contact information, phone number, email address. Number 5, update the employer information. And number 6, this is where you would submit the update. Once you submit the update, you're going to receive an email with that information, and within 3 hours, it'll be updated on your portal as well. I click submit here just so you can see. Again, you can download it as a PDF so that you can have a copy of that for your own records, but you'll also get an email of that as well. So that's it for the account updates. It's pretty straightforward. It doesn't take much time, and I hope this helps.